Today, we're diving deep into the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2026, the latest, lightweight, AI gaming laptop that's taking the market by storm. This is the laptop that ASUS says is built to improve productivity for gamers and creators alike. But is it worth the premium price? Let's find out. First, let's talk brand and pricing. The 2026 Zephyrus G16 starts at $3,699.99 at the ASUS store, with configurations ranging up to $4,099 or even $5,405 for the top-tier RTX 5090 model. On Amazon, you'll find various configurations starting around $3,525 to $3,750, depending on the GPU and storage. Processor: Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 386H running at 2.1 GHz with 18 MB cache, boosting up to 4.9 GHz. It has 16 cores and 16 threads, plus Intel NPU up to 5 OTOPS for AI tasks. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU with 12 GB GDDR7 VRM in turbo mode, 1497 MHz at 125 W, and in manual mode 1497 MHz at 140 W with 115 West plus 25 W dynamic display. 16-inch 2.5K 2560 by 1600 OLED display with 240 Hz refresh rate. Pantone validated 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, less than 1 delta E at 0.854, incredible color accuracy. The screen has a 16:10 aspect ratio with 94% screen-to-body ratio. Memory: 64 GB LPDDR5 x 8533 onboard memory, non-operatable, supporting dual channel. Max capacity is 64 GB. Storage: 1 TB or 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe2 performance SSD with 2 M2 PCIe slots for expansion. Weight and dimensions: weight 4.30 pounds, 1.95 kilograms, incredibly light for a 16-inch gaming laptop. Dimensions: 13.94x, 9.69x, 0.59, 0.70, 35.4x, 24.6x, 1.492, 1.79 centimeters. Material and color: CNC aluminum unibody chassis with premium build quality. The signature/lighting RGB on the back. Available in premium dark gray black finish. Operating system: Windows 11 Pro with Copilot key on the keyboard. Ports and connectivity: 1x3.5mm combo audio jack, 1x HDMI, 2.1 FRL, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort. Power delivery GSYNC, 1x Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort power delivery. 1x SD card reader UHS 2, 312 megabits per second. Wi-Fi 7 802.11b, triple band 2.2 plus Bluetooth 6.0. Audio 4-speaker system with dual force woofers and 2 tweeters. Smart amplifier technology, Dolby Atmos, support AI noise cancelling technology, and built-in array microphone. Reviewers say this has the best speakers in any gaming laptop. Camera: 1080p FHD IR camera for Windows Hello facial recognition. Battery: light usage, web browsing, approximately 4.5 to 5 hours. Video playback, approximately 7 hours, 42 minutes. Gaming on battery, approximately 4 to 5 hours. Pros: ultra portable, thinnest and lightest, 16-inch gaming laptop at 4.30 pounds. Gorgeous 2.5K, 240 Hz. OLED display with exceptional color accuracy. Powerful RTX 5070 5080 GPU performs surprisingly well for its wattage. Best-in-class speakers for any gaming laptop. Excellent battery life for a gaming laptop, up to 5 hours light use. Premium CNC aluminum build quality. Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 4 for future-proof connectivity. 1080p IR camera with Windows Hello. Cons: Very expensive, over 50% price increase from 2025 model. CPU runs hot under heavy load, can reach HA-104 degrees Celsius. Fan noise is whiny and obtrusive in turbo mode. CPU performance is lacking compared to competitors. Memory is on board and non-upgradable. Battery life isn't as long as some would like. For heavy gaming, right-click on trackpad is hard to find. This laptop is perfect for gamers who want ultra portability without sacrificing performance. Content creators who need a powerful OLED display for color-critical work. Professionals who need gaming power on the go. Users who prioritize build quality and premium design. Anyone who wants the best speakers in a gaming laptop. This laptop is not for budget-conscious buyers. It's very expensive. Users who need maximum CPU performance for rendering. People sensitive to fan noise. Those who want upgradable RAM. Is it worth it? If you prioritize portability and OLED display quality, it's worth it.